Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 2024 series, specifically the FA507UI, FA507UU, and FA507UV models. We're talking about the ATEC 32GB, 2x16GB DDR5 RAM kit. If you're looking to boost your gaming laptop's performance, this might be exactly what you need. Out of the box, this kit is designed to be compatible with the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 2024 models I mentioned. It's a 32GB kit, which means you get two 16GB modules. This is ideal for running in dual channel, which significantly improves memory bandwidth and overall system responsiveness. The memory itself is DDR5 SODIMM, which is the standard for modern laptops. It features 262 pins and boasts speeds up to 5,600 MHz, or PC5-44800. This high speed translates to faster data transfer rates, quicker loading times, and smoother multitasking. It adheres to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a safe and efficient 1.1V. This is important because it ensures compatibility and helps to prevent overheating. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading your RAM is the immediate improvement in system performance. More RAM means your laptop can handle larger workloads, run more applications simultaneously, and experience fewer bottlenecks. This is especially noticeable in demanding games and content creation tasks. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. ATEC designed this kit for easy home installation, so no need to be a tech expert. Just consult your ASUS TUF Gaming A15's manual for specific instructions on how to properly seat the memory modules and ensure they're running in the correct channels. ATEC puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This ensures that you're getting dependable and reliable performance. It gives peace of mind knowing that the upgrade is stable and will perform as expected. Finally, ATEC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty. They also have a knowledgeable tech team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. This level of support is invaluable, especially if you're new to upgrading laptop components. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance RAM upgrade for your ASUS TUF Gaming A15 2024, the ATEC 32GB DDR5 kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.